Hello everybody, welcome to Super Fun English. If your kid is 5 years old or 5 years onwards, you want to introduce the intermediate level or advanced level phonic course, but you don't know where to start from, what are the topics to choose, what should be your sequence, then this video is for you. My channel Super Fun English aims to improve the phonic and the grammar for kids. Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, you will get 3 videos in a week which are very important and valuable for you if you want to give your kid the proper phonic and grammar training. And yes, it is absolutely free. You can subscribe, hit the bell button to get the notification from my channel. You can share this video with your community who are looking for the same thing, and please like this video. So let's get started. Let's know the topics and the sequence, what to teach to a 5-year-old kids in phonics. If you haven't introduced the phonics to your kids, then I have made a video which you can see in the I button. This video is what to teach to a 3 years old kids in phonics. Now if your kids is grown up and you haven't introduced the phonics earlier, then you can watch this video to get the whole idea at the basic level. At the basic level, what should I introduce, what should be my sequence, in this video I have explained in details. If you have introduced the basic level phonics to your kids, but if your kids is now ready for the intermediate or the advanced level, then you will start from the long vowel or the short vowels. In the basic level, we have given the concept of the long vowel and the short vowel. The vowel consonant concept we have given in the basic level. But in the advanced, intermediate to advanced level, we will go one step ahead. We will tell them what are the long vowels, the sound of long vowels, what are the short vowels, where do we use the short vowels, and when sometimes you read the long vowels as a short vowels too. So here in the I button you can see both the videos, the long vowel videos and the short vowel videos. Introduce this very carefully. Next we will introduce the vowel teams, how the two vowels are going combining together and make a team. Next we will introduce them the bossy R where the R sound, the R control sound like the car. So these are R control vowels. Next we can give them the diagram, the difference between the blends and the diagram. Next you can introduce the syllable and its title, different types of syllables, and we have to tell them how to identify the syllables, how to count the number of syllables, what are the types of syllables, open syllable, closed syllables, R control syllables, and then we can give them the consonant syllable as well. So these are the very common things in phonics, in the intermediate to advanced level phonics, that we can introduce one after another. After that we can give them the soft C or hard C, soft G or hard G concept. There were so many concepts. The spelling rules like the floss rule, the CK and K rule, the wild old rule, suffix and prefix concept. Then we will force them to read short stories, because phonic is not only about the spelling, it improves your pronunciation, it help you to become a good reader. Simultaneously we will start the dictation as well. How to give the dictation, I have made a full video on this, that video link you can see in the I button. And with the dictations we will give them enough spellings practice, and we will make them practice each and every spelling rules and other rules very carefully. If you watch my video, you will get the idea of how to make the topic related worksheet, how to arrange the activities, everything. So for your convenience, I'm giving you the whole phonic list. Please watch this list very carefully. Each and every video I have made with a lot of effort and with the interesting ideas that students love to do. So please watch this phonic playlist, and do let me know how do you like it in the comment box.